Made of the highest quality materials. Camping cooking supplies cookware. Another quality Coleman product. Top reviews from the United States. This is a good basic campset. This is a really good starter basic campset. It is aluminum, so it won't last very long if you scrub them with Brillo pads, so be warned. I wore some weak spots in one after just 20 uses and it ended up with a hole in that spot, but I was using the green Brillo pads, too, probably too aggressive for the aluminum. If you wash by hand with a cloth, which I did for the first 10 uses, I would expect these to last for a while. I do not recommend putting these in the dishwasher. Bad things happened after just one time in mine. Surface started pitting and came out with what appears to be dried food, but turned out to be some kind of coating flaking off that didn't take well to the heated dry cycle in my dishwasher. The coffee mug is a little small, but it's also compact and fits inside, which is nice and would not be possible if it was bigger. Since these are lightweight aluminum, they will dent pretty easily, but that's the nature of the lightweight aluminum, not something bad about this product. Otherwise, I've been happy with this set. I bought a second one, if that tells you anything.